Brand new full-featured fixed office docking expansion from Beelink Expand F. Adopt simple and clean design, give you the most perfect office experience. Powerful and multiple ports are perfectly poised to maximize the convenience for your life. Up to 2 TB built-in SSD offers greater data integrity, faster read-write speed. Come with expandable HDD is up to 2 TB. Now that's ultra small and super portable. Expand F supports collaborative work with other devices and ultra-realistic 4K UHD visuals with incredible clarity and maximum productivity in your workflow with excellent triple display solutions using HDMI DisplayPort as well as Type-C output, delivering greater comfort and readability. You can press the F button to switch SSD and HDD status between working state and sleeping mode. Coupled with high transmission speed, Expand F can bring you a unique office experience. With Beelink Expand F docking station, your best assistant for office. All of the complex tasks can be easily solved with high performance,